Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to update your business address on Bluevine. It's going to be a very quick video, just 7 steps on how to get this done. So let's just get straight into it. The first step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard on the website or mobile app. Step 2, from the main menu, you're going to tap settings. Step 3, now under business information, just go ahead and select edit address. Step 4, enter your new business address exactly as it appears on your official documents. You want to make sure to double check spellings, suite numbers, and zip code to prevent errors. Step 5, if required, you're going to need to upload proof of the new address. Bluevine may accept a business utility bill, lease agreement, or updated business license. Step 6, tap Save Changes. Bluevine may review and approve the update within 1 to 2 business days. And the final step, once approved, verify that the new address is displayed in your profile. This ensures that all statements, debit cards, and correspondence are sent to the right place. And that's it. Your Bluevine business address is successfully updated. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.